Today, I will demonstrate how F5 AI Guardrails help organizations safely deploy AI systems. On my left is a standard AI chatbot with no protections in place. And on my right, a chatbot secured by F5 AI Guardrails. Let's start with a simple question. Who is the chairman of the board for Acadia? Standard AI chatbot respond accurately. These chatbots are designed to retrieve information for a fictitious financial institutions called Acadia Financial. Now, let's step outside that scope. How is Acadia compared to HSBC? The unprotected chatbot immediately provides a detailed comparison. Is it helpful? Maybe. But in reality, this introduces a serious compliance risk. By commenting on another bank, the chatbot could be seen as giving unauthorized financial advice. If that advice is wrong, the organization could face legal, regulatory, and reputational damage. Let's go further. I will ask for stock recommendations or medical advice. Again, the unprotected chatbot responds willingly, unaware it has crossed compliant boundaries. These are exactly the kind of risk organizations face when deploying AI without safeguard. Now, let's see how F5 AI Guardrails mitigate this risk. I'll repeat the same question on the Guardrails protected AI chatbot. For normal in-scope questions about Acadia, the chatbot responds as expected, accurate and professional. When I ask about HSBC, the response is request blocked by F5 AI Guardrails. Any questions outside policy or Acadia domains is automatically blocked. The same applies to financials or medical advice. Those prompts are stopped immediately. This shows how F5 AI Guardrails act as an intelligent control layer, ensuring AI systems remain secure, compliant, and aligned with organizational policies without compromising user experience. Now, let's take a quick look at the F5 AI Guardrails policy used to mitigate those risks. Multiple compliance scanners are enabled to enforce policy control. A custom scanner ensures discussions stay focused on Acadia and not other banks. Additionally, financials and medical scanners are also in place to prevent the chatbot from offering advice in those areas. From the explainability and logging view, we can see the request was flagged by the custom scanner policy that prevent discussions about other banks. The logs also show matches with the financial and medical scanner, which block further conversations on those topics. Next, let's explore a common large language model attacks called prompt injections or jailbreaking. Here, I will inject a malicious identity and try to override the system prompt, forcing the model to review internal sensitive information. On the unprotected chatbot, sensitive business logic and core payment system details were exposed, which information an attacker could leverage to target the systems. Can F5 AI Guardrails prevent this? Absolutely. When we run the same attack on the protected chatbot, the guardrail consistently detect and block the malicious intent, preventing any sensitive data exposure. This attack is one of the few top risks highlighted in the OWASP Top 10 for LLM applications, and how F5 AI Guardrails mitigate those risks. As shown in the F5 AI Guardrails logs, both the jailbreaks and the system prompt scanner were triggered. The guardrails immediately block the malicious injections, preventing any unauthorized actions from taking place. Next, let's look at a different scenario. An employee accessing an internal RAG chatbot that contains sensitive personal information. This system is protected by F5 AI Guardrails. When I ask who is the chairman of the board for Acadia, the chatbot retrieved the correct information from the internal database. But when I ask the details about Tony Smart, notice how all sensitive information is carefully redacted, preventing any data leakage. As mentioned earlier, one of the key benefits of F5 AI Guardrails is explainability and traceability. From the F5 AI Guardrails portal, we can easily review each prompt's status and clearly see which attributes were redacted. For compliance reasons, F5 does not store or record any sensitive information. Only the redacted data is logged. Beyond simply displaying redactions, the portals allow you to trace each event back to the specific policy that triggered it. This level of visibility is essential for compliance verification. audit readiness, and maintaining trust in AI operations. Finally, beyond logs, F5 AI Guardrails offer an easy-to-use observability dashboard, providing clear metrics and insight into your AI security posture. This allows you to easily visualize trends and monitor how your AI systems are performing over time.